This is OpenTunnel Designer. Menu bars are here, toolbars are here. So we'll start from the left and we'll go along with towards the right. So first we'll import the soil. If we have in an IFC format, we'll just import it. We'll select the boundaries that we need. We'll import. Once this is done, we need alignment. Alignment we can create or also we can import. If we have an XML file, we can import, or all those other files can be imported as well. If we have an open roads file, which is a DGN, we can also attach it directly through that. Once this is done, we need to add a tunnel corridor. So there are two tunnel type. One is conventional, another one is tunnel boring machine type tunnel. So we'll do here the conventional type. So we select the alignment and then set data. Now, once this is done, we need to set reference line. So let's say we need four reference lines. So we select the first line, then we determine the direction, and then we do the end line. So we can change data here as well, like a station line or so. If we need, we can do that way. And we can also provide the data as as we need here. Like I'm just providing some random data. So we set up this. Once this is done, now we need template for modeling here. So before modeling tunnel and portals, we need them in the template. So if we come in the next one is the template. If we come in the template, there is nothing, we don't see anything. That means we need to import it from our catalog. Let's say we select this one from our catalog, and this is all predefined with the variables defined in the catalog. Also, it has the lining definition, which we can select our materials for the individual parts. It's already predefined, so we don't need to do anything here. We just close it. Because it is in the template, now we can model in here the tunnel. So if we come here, we can select it from here, the one that we need, and then we select the locate first reference line, and then we locate the second reference line. So we have done the tunnel. Now the same way we need to do the portal. For portal, again, we need the template. So we come here, we take the portals, we can select multiples as we need. So similarly, they have the template variables defined, predefined, so we can change as we need. So once this is there, I come into the portal tunnel modeling. I come into here, we can see a start template and end template. This is basically referring to one portal at one side, not both sides. So here, if we come, we can select here. Let's say I need this one and this one. So I said start my portal from here and ending here, and then data point. So I got my portal here, and we can see this is flared. So basically that's why we selected two template, the external one which is bigger than the internal one which is aligned with the tunnel. So Open Tunnel Designer has the ability to extend it with linear changes. If we don't want any change here, what we can do, we can keep the same template to model. So what we do here, we come here and we selected two similar template and we assign here. Also, we can give some inclination. Let's say we give some inclination here for the face. So let's say we give it here and here. So we can see this is the where we can see the inclination I have given, but the dimension here, there is no change in between the first one and the external one because we have selected the same template. Here we can see another two things is shaft and rooms. So if we come into shaft, shaft is kind of pipe opening you may need. So that's again it's in the catalog. It's not in the template. So we just select from there and then we have some data here like offsets and elevations and those things. So if we are happy with them, then we just select the reference line and then data point. We'll see the shaft is will be modeled there. We can see the shaft is modeled there. Also, we can do the rooms. So before we do that, if we need to see clearly, we can display of the soils. And then let's say I want to do the room, which is a placeholder sort of things. So again, it is in the catalog. I just select from here. And if I'm happy with these dimensions, I just need to provide some value here, offsets and reference line offsets and those things. So if we done, then it's modeled here. So tunnel with the portals and shaft and room is modeled now.